For over a century, we've known that space isn't just an empty void, it's a fabric. And when the most violent events in the universe occur, they send ripples through that fabric at the speed of light. These are gravitational waves. While we've detected high-frequency ripples from Earth, the biggest secrets of the cosmos are hidden in low-frequency waves. Waves so vast and subtle that Earth is simply too noisy to hear them. This is Project Taiji. Led by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, this mission will deploy 3 satellites into a solar orbit. Together, they will form an equilateral triangle with sides measuring 3 million kilometers, roughly 8 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. On May 11, 2026, a major breakthrough was announced: the development of the optical core. This is the heart of the detector. Its job is to split, guide, and recombine laser beams across millions of kilometers of vacuum. To detect a gravitational wave, this system must measure shifts at the picometer level. That is 100,000th the diameter of a single human hair. China isn't alone in this quest. The European Space Agency is developing LISA, a similar triangular detector with 2.5 million kilometer arms. While LISA is the best-known international effort, China's Taiji project is pushing for even larger scales and faster deployment. By 2033, the goal is to have all 3 Taiji satellites networked and operational. Why build a 3 million kilometer ruler? These low-frequency waves carry information from the earliest moments of our universe. They tell the story of how supermassive black holes formed and how galaxies were born. By turning science fiction into hardware, the Taiji mission is preparing to listen to a symphony that has been playing since the beginning of time. The ruler is ready. The universe is waiting.